Hi dear students, we are going to study about determinant of the matrix in this lesson, and we are going to continue with the definition, and we are going to learn in this lesson how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrices. Firstly, I'm going to start with what is the definition. Every square matrix, so it should be square matrix, this is important part here, can be assigned a real number which is called determinant, and this number is useful when we are calculating the inverse of matrix or solving system of linear equations. So we are going to calculate for these reasons and for finding the inverse or solving the system, and this is the notation style you can show with that A or absolute value of A or D or delta. Here this sign also we are using as a delta. By using these signs you can mention the determinant of A, but in this book it's using determinant of A. I'm going to use this notation for the determinant of the A. So 1 times 1 matrix is the easiest one. The determinant of 1 times 1 matrix A is equal to A, which means here if your matrix is 6, the determinant of matrix 6, it should be equal to 6. Or your matrix is equal to -3. This is 1 by 1 matrix, and the matrix entry is 3, which means absolute value of -3. That's again -3. It's going to be. But I use the word absolute value. Determinant I should use there. The sign is absolute value sign, but we are not getting the absolute value of the expression. You need to know also that one. Okay, here there is a formula for the 2 by 2 matrix. If your matrix is 2 by 2 like A, B, C, D, then AD minus BC, it's going to give you the determinant of the matrix. And when we were calculating the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, as if you remember, we used this form. So here, this is the visually to remember. AD minus BC, it's going to be, here it is plus, here it is minus. If we calculate here the determinants of the matrices for these are the examples that we should solve. I'm going to solve for 2 of them. Here, this one and this one you're going to multiply, then you're going to multiply these 2. So the determinant of A, which is like determinant of A, 1 times 4 minus 2 times 3, it's going to be, which is determinant of A is equal to 4 minus 6, and determinant of A, it's going to be equal to -2. Okay, what we are going to do for the matrix B, B is equal to determinant of B, 2 times 7 minus 5 times 3, it's going to be 5 times 3, which is equal to 14 minus 15, which is equal to -1, it has to be. And you can continue with the last one. Here, by mistake, I pressed the Z. That's why there's no meaning of it. Okay, let's continue with the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. We are going to use different methods, but here I'm going to teach you the Searles method. For the Searles methods, we are writing the matrix and then the first 2 row again. Then we are multiplying them like this, and the first one with the plus sign, it's coming, which means we are adding them. And the second one's coming with minus sign, which means we are subtracting from the result. So if I write here, this is the short, with the letters to write the formula, And here I want to solve for this question to explain what these are. Firstly, as I mentioned before, to find the determinant of this matrix, we are going to multiply here. We are going to rewrite the first 2 row again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, it has to be. Then here I'm going to crossly multiply by using this form. I'm going to crossly multiply, and I need to multiply like this here, this one, and then this one is going to be here. I have to write and I have to multiply them, which means 1 times minus 2 times 1 it has to be, then 1 times 4 times 2, then 2 times 1 times 1, 2 times 1 times 1 it has to be. 1 times minus 2 times 1 is equal to minus 2. 1 times 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 2 times 1 times 1 it's equal to 2. Then this part we are going to add to find minus 2 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10 plus minus 2, which is equal to 8 again. This is the added part. This is the positive part. Then we are going to subtract from this number, we are going to subtract these are. I'm going to write them here with different color of highlighter I'm going to use. Here, let's use this one. Here, now these are, we are going to multiply these are, and this is the first one, then this one, then this one. It has to be, okay, these are the highlighted forms. Then what are these numbers? Let me write them here. 2 times minus 2 times 2, 2 times minus 2 times 2, it should be 2 times minus 2 times 2, everything. And this should be equal to 1 times 4 times 3, 1 times 4 times 3. And this one is going to be 2 times 1 times 1, 2 times 1 times 1. 2 times minus 2 times 2 is equal to minus 8, it should be. 1 times 4 times 3, it's going to be equal to 12. And this one, it's going to be equal to minus 8 plus 12, and then this is going to be equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Now I'm going to get also this sum here, which is equal to minus 8 plus 12 plus 2. It's going to be equal to 14 minus 8, which is equal to 6. It should be. Then this was minus 2 plus 8 plus 2. It's going to be equal to 8. Then this is the last part now. Here we are going to get these two together, like these are the positive ones, these are the negative ones, which means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So this is the ladies and gentlemen, this is the determinant of A. It has to be. Okay, here there are exercises. We are going to solve them in the class.